Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. So if you have one of those, okay, you have two fuse boxes. One fuse box on your truck, guys, will be located under the hood behind the car battery. And if you open that fuse box, it will look just like this one. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse box that we need for the rear power windows now is located in the cabin on your F-150, guys, in the footwell right here. So if you guys look on the right side by that kick panel, there is one cover that you remove and you're going to open a fuse box that will look just like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, guys, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to. So the fuse, guys, that we will need to check now here specifically, okay, you can see that you have all kinds of fuses here, right? Okay, you have different fuses, different relays, and some of those, guys, are double fuses there as well. So the fuse that we'll need to check now, guys, okay, for the rear power windows, it's fuse number 38. But if you look here, there is no number such as 38, guys. For instance, on the left side, they go all the way to 37. You don't see 38. So where is 38? It's a special fuse, guys. We're talking about that fuse right here on top for the rear power windows. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.